Car Windshield Crack Repair Kit quickly fixes chips, prevents crack spreading, saves replacement costs, and improves driving safety. Today's video is about top 5 best car windshield crack repair kit for glass repair that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at MalaFox Car Windshield Crack Repair Kit. I was impressed by how effective this windshield repair kit is for fixing common glass damage. The Nano-level repair formula creates a strong molecular bond that makes chips and cracks far less noticeable while restoring clear visibility. Even without prior experience, the instructions are simple enough to complete the repair in just a few minutes. It works well on bullseyes, star breaks, crescent cracks, spiderweb damage, and small scratches, making it a versatile solution for most windshield issues. The resin cures quickly in sunlight, forming a durable repair that resists heat, rain, car washes, and daily driving conditions while helping prevent cracks from spreading. Best of all, it delivers professional-looking results without the high cost of dealership repairs, potentially saving up to 80% on repair expenses. It's an affordable, easy-to-use kit that can extend the life of your windshield and improve driving safety. Now our second product is Nasiloop Car Windshield Crack Repair Kit. This windshield crack repair kit is an excellent DIY solution for fixing chips and small cracks without expensive shop visits. The instructions are straightforward, making the repair process easy even for first-time users, and no extra tools are required. The advanced nano repair resin fills damaged areas effectively, helping restore windshield clarity while reducing the visibility of cracks. I like that it works on multiple damage types, including bullseyes, star breaks, crescent cracks, chips, and cracks up to 12 inches long, making it a versatile addition to any vehicle. The fast curing formula dries to a smooth, clear finish that stabilizes the glass and improves its appearance. Its high-grade polymer resin penetrates deep into tiny fissures, creating a durable molecular bond designed to last through everyday driving conditions. Overall, this kit offers a simple, reliable, and cost-effective way to extend the life of your windshield and maintain safer driving visibility. Our third product is Hihbi Car Windshield Crack Repair Kit. This glass repair kit is a practical and cost-effective solution for repairing damaged automotive and household glass. I like its wide compatibility. It works on windshields, side windows, sunroofs, rearview mirrors, headlight covers, and even many household glass surfaces. The DIY process is quick and beginner-friendly, repairing small chips in about 5 minutes and larger cracks in around 20 minutes without special tools. The upgraded UV curing nano resin penetrates deep into cracks, creating a strong bond that restores excellent clarity while helping prevent further damage. After curing, the repaired area blends smoothly with the surrounding glass, leaving little visible trace and maintaining clear visibility. Its compact, lightweight design makes it easy to keep in the glove compartment for unexpected emergencies on the road. Overall, this repair kit delivers fast, durable, and professional-looking results while helping you avoid costly glass replacement or repair services. Now number 4, Clamper Car Windshield Crack Repair Kit. This upgraded windshield chip repair kit is a great choice for anyone looking to fix windshield damage quickly and affordably. The included UV curing light makes the process faster and easier, allowing most chips and small cracks to be repaired in just 5 to 10 minutes without mixing resin. I especially like the upgraded vacuum holder, which helps the resin penetrate deeper for stronger, more reliable repairs. It works well on a wide variety of damage, including bullseyes, star breaks, spider cracks, scratches, and cracks up to 12 inches long. The adjustable UV lamp offers multiple timer and light intensity settings, making it easy to match the curing process to the size of the damage. The step-by-step repair process is simple enough for beginners, and the finished repair helps restore visibility while preventing cracks from spreading. Overall, it's a practical, user-friendly kit that saves both time and money compared to professional windshield repairs. And our last choice is Zixcare Car Windshield Crack Repair Kit. This windshield chip repair kit is a practical solution for quickly fixing minor glass damage before it becomes a bigger problem. The nano-level repair formula penetrates deep into chips and cracks, creating a strong bond that reduces glare and restores clear visibility. I appreciate how easy it is to use. Everything needed is included, and the resin cures naturally in sunlight without requiring special tools or professional experience. It works on all laminated automotive glass, including windshields, side windows, sunroofs, rear-view mirrors, and headlights, and can even be used on household glass surfaces. The fast curing, weather-resistant formula helps prevent small chips from spreading into larger cracks, even through changing temperatures and daily driving. Compatible with sedans, SUVs, trucks, and EVs, it effectively repairs bullseyes, star brakes, combination cracks, and other common damage. Overall, it's an affordable, reliable, and versatile kit that helps extend the life of your glass while saving on costly repairs. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.